Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to unhide a folder in Windows 10. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my Windows 10. Now I have hidden one folder over here on desktop. Now to unhide, first of all I'll go to this PC and now over here I'll go to File, Change Folder and Source Options. Then over here I'll go to View. And now here is show hidden files and folders. Just check this, apply and OK. And now we can view this hidden folder. You can see here is one folder. Hide please. This is visible. Now to unhide this, right click, go to properties and over here you can see hidden. Uncheck this, apply and OK. And you can see this folder is unhidden now. Now again go to this PC, File, Change Folder and Setting Options, View and just check this don't show hidden files and folders and apply then OK. After that also you can see this folder is unhidden. So in this way we can unhide a folder in Windows 10. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.